platform.
That's great, kind of. Yeah. We just switch off.
Yeah, sorry, a lot of disturbance, so I had to take a time out to settle them. They don't know how to actually make a contribution here, you see. But I think I've handled it, brother. Okay. As it is now, we don't have brothers, they have all disconnected, but then I'm hopeful they are going to come back, you know. Because nothing stops the sun from rising, you know. The children of God must take our place once again. We are despicable as we are today because our spirit was broken. And everything you see in the physical comes from the inside. You get it? A white man so much value his or her race that he can never want to look like you. But all our brothers and our sisters, especially our sisters, they all want to look like them. You know the reason. They want to look like Virgin Mary or Jesus. They're going to destroy that kinky hair with the help of a relaxer or a texturizer or whatever they call it.
I mean, they bleach their hair.
They bleach their skin. And I told you that today I'm not going to say anything so seriously. I'm only going to be recapping other programs I've done. Here, there was a time we actually discussed about the melanin.
Oh wow!
Yeah, the white man calls it melanin.
That's a very big subject.
But then it's not melanin; it's the carbon in you. And I was able to get a drink. I don't know if they have it here. Do you have Monster?
Monster.
Energy drink. Ask them. No. Okay. Okay. If you have that drink, Monster energy drink, you will see written on it in Greek 666. And then we all know by now that 666 is the property of carbon. You have 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. And it's the carbon in our skin, because we are very close to the sun, that makes us black. And also, if you break it down further, we are called human being. Hue. Hue is like humerus soil. What's the color of the humerus soil? It's brown and black. Also, I said that a lot of other scientists from different races have carried out a genetic analysis of their race, and they found out that they all came from Africa.
From a black woman.
From a black woman. So the black woman is the origin of humanity.
Black woman.
But they know this thing. They know these things like thousands and thousands of years ago. But they keep programming you to reject yourself. I saw a girl with this artificial kinky hair style that is raining now, and I told her, man, I like this, but I would have wished it's natural. She said, this one, just say, let me manage it, you know. I say, but why must you want to be like the white person? She said, those ones, they're already beautiful. God has made them beautiful naturally.
Wow.
How do you mean you're not beautiful? That's self-hate, you know. So what I do on this platform is to make you, I target the little ones, the upcoming ones, to make you have some values for yourself. This is Africa.
Know thyself.
Know thyself. Look deep within you to discover the God in you that will save you. Because when you discover this God in you, find out that you are the way, the truth, and life, and your own personal savior. When you have this concept running in your head, there's nothing you will not do or you cannot do. Black man, wake up. Black man, wake up, because those who have been programming you are losing it. Permit me to expatiate on that. You were told that the Antichrist 666 will later take over the world. And they gave you the picture of him, black horns and everything. Good. They say people are going to rapture and all that. Yes, it's a lie.
And your angels,
yeah,
your Mary, they're all white.
Yeah.
No black.
Yeah. Now, look at it, man. Look at it. They are giving you sex dolls. Today, they are giving you sex dolls. That's another. Okay. I want you to know the program going on now. They want to depopulate you. You see, those in America, Caribbean island, and those in Mexico that looks black like us, they call them Hispanic. Because they don't want them to be associated with the population of Africa. You know, we are the first people to be globalized by the way of slavery.
Even Australia today.
Yeah. The Australia was formerly occupied by the Aborigines. It was formerly occupied by the Aborigines. You understand? Okay, so they are giving you homosexual. They are giving you one man, one wife in the way of Christianity. They are giving you HIV. They are giving you homosexual, gonorrhea, so that you'll be scared of meeting your woman. If you have to meet her, you go with a condom.
Of course.
Population control.
the population.
If a man marries a man, a woman marries a woman, they cannot reproduce. If you go sleeping with a sex doll, you cannot reproduce. So this is a way of trying to control your population so that you sexist children will not take over the world so soon. Now the ozone layer is so hot because of the industrialization. The white man is dying. The black man cannot die. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So now they are giving you all these programs to make sure that your population is not big enough, because now we are waking up to fight them. And I want to advise those watching this program, when you see these things, sex doll and all that on your Facebook timeline, don't share it.
It's all bullshit. Don't share it.
It's a program. It's sponsored. They want you to be the one to take it to the next man. They make the girls look so busty and so fine that you might begin to lose it, that this looks like, let me have a taste. Don't taste it. It's a sin against self to taste such nonsense. Yes. It's un-African. Are you getting the concept now? So the 6-6 will take over again when this message of who we are begins to permeate and become popular. Then somebody from America can easily call me, brother, how you doing? I want to do a business in Africa. Can you help me get a place? And I'll say, no problem. I'll help you get the place. And he will take money from that economy down to Africa. That's the message. And that's why they'll be using their program to debar you from relating with your people. They sponsor criminality in Africa because nobody wants to vest in a place where there's no peace. But this criminality is based on this ideology of religion. So if you lose religion, you have peace. Simple. The Europe you live today don't have religion, they have peace. Are you getting it? So Africa just have to wake up. Oh, nice one. Africa just have to wake up. A lot of lies have been told about you or against you. It's time you begin to debunk it.
And one more thing.
Yeah.
The Bible, the holy books, I say, Christianity, they say God come down from heaven, have adultery with somebody's wife. I can't believe that.
That's a joke, man. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Fucking joke, man.
Yeah, it's a joke. You know, the thing is just very funny. But because, these white men have been ravaging the whole world, enslaving and teaching Christianity as they go. Don't forget it. They are people of no culture. If not in Africa, you don't dare tell me that my wife is pregnant and I'm not the one responsible, that an angel came from sky to impregnate my wife. I'll get out of my house, man. It's not possible in Africa. But because, like Michael Jackson now, who imbibed their culture. I love his music, but I hate the guy. Who imbibed their culture. You can see all his children are all pure Caucasian. He did not participate in the sexual engagement to bring his children. He rented somebody to do it for him. The only son he has who is black, nobody knows about him. He's hidden. Self-hate. And because he hated melanin, that carbon in him, that killed him. Are you getting it? It's the pure truth.
Simple.
So at this point in time, sorry, if you want to call me, call. I'll pick your call. You can make your contribution, but through here, don't call my line. Don't call my Facebook personalities. Call through here. You have the buttons where you can say add and all that. Are you getting it? So you can call and make your contribution. We are supposed to have a doctor in our program today, but I don't know what happened. He's yet to be here. So I'm trying to pick Rasnana. You can make your contribution. Let's make it brief so that others can come in. It's not going through. Let me try another one. Okay. Seems it's having problem with the network. Okay. If the calls are not going through, we may have to continue. Okay. Please share the video and having a better system. If you're interested in contributing whatever, $1, £1, whatever you can bring in, is all appreciated. You can always inbox me and let me know so that we can discuss.
£1.
Yeah, because actually we need to do a lot. We need support to actually grow, At the EZE now, with time, we're going to have a kind of office. People can come, we can have a library, educate people around ourselves. A video froze, but is it back now?